In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create course in Podia. We'll start from the Podia home dashboard. From here, click on your Podia account name to open the account menu. In that drop-down, select Admin. This takes you into the main backend area where you can manage your products and course content. Once you're in the admin area, click on Products. This is where all of your digital products live, including courses, downloads, and other offers. To begin creating a new course, click on New Product. Now you'll be prompted to enter the product details. Start by typing in your product name. This should be the name of your course, so choose something clear and recognizable. After entering the name, select Course as the product type. This is important because Podia offers different kinds of products, and choosing course ensures you get the correct layout and settings for structured learning content. Then click Create Product to move forward. At this point, your course shell is created and you can start organizing the material. The first thing to do is create a section. Click on New Section. Sections help break your course into clear parts or modules, which makes the learning experience easier to follow for your students. In the section setup, type in a section name. This could be something like an introduction, a module title, or a topic heading that reflects what students will learn in that part of the course. Next, type in a description. Podia gives you space to briefly explain what the section covers, and this is useful for setting expectations and giving learners a quick overview before they begin. You'll also have the option to choose the delay for the section. You can make the section available immediately, or you can delay access and choose the number of days after purchase or enrollment before it becomes available. This feature is especially helpful if you want to drip out content over time instead of giving students everything at once. When that's set the way you want it, click Save. Now that your section has been created, it's time to add content inside it. Click on New Lesson. Inside each section, this is where you build the actual learning material your students will go through. Podia gives you a few choices for the kind of lesson content you want to add. You can create quizzes if you want to test student understanding with multiple choice or multiple answer questions. You can add a standard lesson if you want to write out content using the text editor. And you can also include files or downloads, which is useful for things like PDFs, worksheets, spreadsheets, or templates that students can keep and use later. If you choose the lesson option, you'll be taken into the lesson editor. Here, type in the lesson content and apply the formatting you want. This is where you can structure the material so it's easy to read and understand. Take a moment to make the lesson clean and organized, since good formatting can make a big difference in how engaging the content feels to students. Once your lesson content is in place, click Save. That stores the lesson inside your course section. After saving, click Done to return to the main course editing view. And that's the full process for creating a course in Podia, from opening the dashboard to building your first section and lesson. As you continue, you can repeat the same process to add more sections and more lessons until your course is fully built out. Keeping your sections clearly named and your lessons well organized will make the course easier to navigate and more professional for your students.